Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the first lesson of class 9th, the fun they had. Let's go. The fun they had. This lesson is written by Isaac Asimov. So about this author, something. Isaac Asimov was born on 2nd January 1920 and died on 6 April 1992. He was an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was also known for his works of science fiction and popular science. Asimov was a prolific writer who wrote or edited more than 500 books and an estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. Introduction about this lesson, the fun they had. Actually, this is a story which is set in the future and it will make all of you love schools. The story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school. The setting of the story is in the future when perhaps there will be no schools, no books. Now, how those students will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestors, that is the present generation, you all or we all had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end of the chapter, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie who comes to know that their ancestors used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that school life is very good and we are fortunate that we have real schools where we go, where we meet friends and where we get chance to study together. Now we'll discuss the summary of this chapter. Margie writes her diary. Margie even wrote about the book in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157 that today Tommy found a real book. That book was very old. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages of the book. These were wrinkled and yellow. They found it strange as words also stood still. They did not move on the screen as they do now. Telebooks. Tommy called it West because after reading book, they threw it away, the old kinds of books. Their television screen was very big to have many books, such types of telebooks that is. Margie also agreed with it, although she had not seen many telebooks because Tommy was 13 years old while Margie was 11. Reason of Margie's hatred for school. Margie asked Tommy where he had found that book and Tommy replied that he found that book in his house and it was about school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever as her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector. Margie's mother sent her geography teacher to the county inspector, who was a round little man. He had a red face and a box of tools, dials and wires. Margie had hoped that he would not know how to put it together, but he set the Margie's television right. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He told her mother that it was not Margie's fault, but the geography sector of mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick, and he had slurred that to an average 10-year-old level. Now Tommy tells Margie about old school. When Margie asked Tommy about old school, he looked at her with very superior eyes. He told her that it was not their kind of school. That is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Why Margie feels hurt? Margie was hurt because she didn't know about the old schools. When she read the books over Tommy's shoulder, then she said that they had a teacher anyway. Tommy replied that, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Now here, regular teacher for Tommy and Margie was robotic teacher, that mechanical teacher. Explanation about old schools and their students. Now in the old schools, the teacher told the boys and girls things and gave homework and also asked them questions. Margie argued that a man could not be smart enough, but Tommy said that he knows almost as much. Tommy told that the teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all kids went there. All the kids learned the same thing if they were the same age. That special building? School. Margie's school time. Now Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hour. Margie's thinking about old school. Margie put her homework in the slot with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now friends, we'll discuss about characters in this lesson. First one is Margie. Margie is a little girl of 11 years and she is living in 22nd century and has a habit of writing diary entry. She has a friend named Tommy who brings a book which is very old. She is taught by a mechanical teacher at her home. She hates school and her mechanical teacher. She is always willing to know about old days schools and their teachers from Tommy. Second character is Tommy. Tommy is about 13-year-old who is Margie's friend, finds a book in his house. He brings it to Margie and tells her about old schools. He knows all about old schools and their teachers. Third character is mechanical teacher, a robot that has black and ugly look. All the lessons are shown and the questions are asked on its big screen. It has a slot in which Margie had to put her homework in punching code. Character number 4, County Inspector. A round little man with red face has a box of tools, dials and wires. He comes to set Margie's television where the geography sector was gearing too little quickly. Now we'll discuss the main points of this lesson, the fun they had. Number 1. The story begins with two children named Margie and Tommy. It takes place in the world of the future where computers dominate everything. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. Number 2. It's the year 2157 and Margie is writing in her diary about how Tommy found a book. This book was Tommy's grandfather when he was a little kid. Margie learns about how they used to print all the stories on paper back then. Further, they read the book themselves and find the feeling of turning pages over rather funny. It was funny because they were not in the habit of reading still words, only ones in motion, that too on a screen. We learn that in the future there are no books, only telebooks. They store them in TV sets and computers. Number 4. After that, it takes an interesting turn when they discuss school. Margie learns that schools were very different back then. They had actual persons who were teachers. It is surprising because she has only robots which teach her. 5. Moreover, she does not like the school because of a lot of reasons. The school she studies does not have any classmates. In fact, it doesn't even have recess or playground. Number 6. Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom. They have robots as teachers. And most importantly, her school is next to her bedroom only. It is a room full of electronics, robots and gadgets. The computer software teaches her everything. 7. When Margie attends her school after learning about the earlier ones, she starts wondering. When she starts studying, she cannot help but think about the earlier days. Number 8. Margie wonders about the fun her grandparents would indulge in. She imagined kids from different neighborhoods coming together merrily to attend the school. Number 9. Moreover, the fact that they were taught the same thing amused her. It was because everyone would help each other out with the homework. Thus, in the end, she is left wondering about the fun they had. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, click on the like, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.